If you're new to the motorcycle world and planning a weekend getaway, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 3 fantastic bikes that are perfect for beginners looking to hit the open road. From engine specs to comfort and price, we've got you covered. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to help us grow this channel. I certainly appreciate your support. Let's get started. First up is a Honda Rebel 500, a superb choice for new riders. With its 471 cubic centimeters parallel to an engine, the Rebel 500 offers a smooth, manageable ride that's perfect for beginners. It's got just enough power to keep you thrilled on a weekend trip without being overwhelming. The saddle height is an approachable 27.2 inches, making it easy to plant your feet firmly on the ground. This is a big plus for new riders who want a bit more confidence while stopping and starting. Plus, the Rebel 500's lightweight design, just around 410 pounds, makes it very easy to handle. And when it comes to pricing, you're looking at around $7,499 for a new model. It's a great balance of affordability and quality, especially for those just starting out. Next on our list is the Yamaha MT-03. This bike is a great option if you're after a bit more sporty flair, without sacrificing beginner-friendly characteristics. It comes with a 321 cubic centimeters parallel to an engine that's both peppy and manageable. The saddle height is slightly higher at 30.7 inches, but it's still within reach for most new riders. Weighing in at about 373 pounds, the MT-03 offers a nimble ride that's fun and responsive, making it perfect for carving up twisty roads during your weekend escapades. Price-wise, it's quite budget-friendly at $5,699. It's an excellent choice if you're looking for a sporty look and feel without breaking the bank. Last but certainly not least is the Kawasaki Ninja 400. This bike has gotten a lot of love over the years, and it's a fantastic option if you're looking for something with a bit more performance while still being accessible for beginners. Its 399 cubic centimeters engine provides a thrilling ride that's still very manageable for new riders. The saddle height on the Ninja 400 is about 30.9 inches, which is a bit taller, but still reasonable for most riders. At around 366 pounds, it's lightweight and agile, making it perfect for handling on different types of terrain. And the price for this ride is around $6,299. It offers a great blend of performance and value, making it an excellent choice for those who want to grow into their bike over time. So there you have it. Whether you're leaning towards the laid-back comfort of the Honda Rebel 500, the sporty edge of the Yamaha MT-03, or the dynamic performance of the Kawasaki Ninja 400, each of these bikes offers something unique for new riders. They're all perfect for enjoying a weekend trip while building your confidence on 2 wheels. Let us know in the comments which bike you choose for your weekend adventures. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle tips and reviews. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the adventure alive. Crazy Camel, out!